So first question they ask is, which phrase makes this statement true? So 23 is what then 20? So we know that 20 is bigger than 20. 23 is bigger than 20. So the alligator will open this way, and this means that it's greater than. So it would be A. Next, it says, compare the following numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. So 36 is what then 45. So if we look at the tens place, we know that 4 is greater than 3, so the alligator will go this way. So it would be B. Next, it says, place the numbers in order from least to greatest. So first look at the tens place. So we know that 1 is the smallest, so 11 will go first. Then 2 is the smallest, so it'd be 23. Then we have two numbers with 3 in the front, so we look at the second number, and 5 is less than 7, so it'd be 35 next. Then it would be 37, and then finally 46. So the answer that follows the same sequence is not A, not B because of these two. It would be C. Next, it asks, which phrase makes this statement true? 57 is blank then 67. So 57 is less than 67, so it'd be less than. Or this way. So it would be B. Next it says, pick a number from the box to fill in the blank to make a true comparison. So whatever number here has to be greater than 56. So not 27, not 32, not 45, not 55. 65 can be greater. 39 is less than. 18 is less than. So the answer, it would be 67. 67. Okay. Which number makes this statement true? So 36 minus what would be less than 30. So let's plug in all these numbers. So first let's do 5. So 36 minus 5 would give us 31. And 31 is not less than 30, so it can't be A. Next, 36 minus 6 gives us 30. 30 is not greater than 30, so it can't be B. Next, let's do 7. 36 minus 7 gives us 29. And 29 is less than 30, so we can leave that for now. And 2. So 36 minus 2 would be 34. And 34 is not less than 30, so it would not be D. So the answer is C. Okay, next it says, each figure is equal to 100 units. Compare the numbers below. So let's look at this group. So this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles, so it would be 600 total. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800 stars. So 8 stars, so it would be 800. And 800 is greater than 600, so it'd be like this. So the answer is B. Okay, next. A store manager monitored the number of bicycles sold every day. On which day did the store sell the most bicycles? So if you look, 8, 10, 11, 9. So obviously 11 is the biggest number, which is Wednesday, so it'd be B. Okay, next it says, which phrase makes a statement true? 57 and 56. So we know 57 is greater, so we write 57 is greater than 56. So the answer is A. Next it says, compare the following numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. So 205 and 215, we know that 215 is greater, so the alligator would open up to 215. So the answer is B. Next it says, place the numbers in order from greatest to least. So this is important, so we put the biggest number first. Biggest number here would be 94. So we can already eliminate A, B, and C, so it would be D. But just to make sure, we'll check the rest. So next is 6, 7. Next would be 44. Next would be 35. And finally, the smallest number is 28. So 94, 67, 44, 35, 28, it matches. Okay, next up says each figure is equal to 50 units, so we're counting by 50. Count the value of each unit group and compare the numbers. So this group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mugs, and 8 times 50 gives us 400. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 suns, and 5 times 50 is 225. So out of 400 and 225, 400 is greater. So the answer is B. Next, it asks which phrase makes the statement true. So 456 and 564, 500 is greater, so it'd be greater. So that means 456 is less than. So the answer is B. Okay, next it says Lisa collected outside temperature for the last 3 days using the chart below. Find out which day had the highest temperature. So 65, 63, 67, 66. Highest temperature. So out of all of these, 67 is the highest. So it'd be Wednesday. So C. Next it says compare the following numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. So 645 and 654. So in the tens place, 54 is greater, so it would go to the right, so it's B. Okay, next, place the order from least to greatest. So the smallest number here out of these three would be 35 or 35. Then it would be 440. Then it would be 448. Then it would be 450. And then lastly, it'd be 457. So the answer that follows this rule would be B. Okay, next. Each figure is equal to 100 units. Count the value of each unit group and compare the numbers. So telephones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 100 is 1,000. And then for scissors, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'd have 800. So 1,000 is greater than 800. So the answer would be B. Next, it says which number makes the statement true. 87 minus what would be less than 76. So let's try. Let's do 10 first. So 87 minus 10 gives us 77. 77 is not less than 76, so it can't be A. 87 minus 100 gives us, 11 gives us 76. 76 is not less than 76. 87 minus 12 gives us 75. 75 is less than 76. So 87 minus 9 is 78, which is not less than 76. So the answer would be C, 12. And that is all for this video.